How to buy ApeCoin crypto on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy the ApeCoin crypto on Etoro easy and fast. First thing we do, we go to etoro.com. Now you have, this is the home page. Then go here to the watch list, choose the watch list, and now search for the ApeCoin. If you didn't find it, search for it here and click on it like this. Then choose the trade option, choose the amount of money that you want to invest, and then click open trade like this. And I just invested 1990 in ApeCoin, easy and fast. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.